Okay, just gonna clean off my counter here. So this is all of my crap I go through right now. Bunch of small stuff and a couple more big boxes, which I don't know what's in those. I don't know what's in any of these boxes, really. We'll find out. Pretty sure this one here is a book of some type. Feels like a book. Something old. Stuff I like. When you open up books, you want to make sure you don't damage anything, so you gotta be careful how you cut into them. Yep, it's a book. Parts book. Ooh, a couple of them in there. Let's see. There we go. Alright, what do we got? Service manual. Preliminary service information for an 86 Sportster. 83 4-speed. June 6th of 85. So that'd be like original stuff. So I'm not sure what preliminary. That means it's a book before they even had a book, I'm guessing. And we got an FLT book. That's good. Two FLT books. So we got 80 to 83 and 84 to 85. That ought to cover all the good crap. But not FXR. Why don't they put both together? It's the same bike, basically. So these are parts books here. So there's a part number there if you can read it. So this gives you all of the parts that go into your bike. I like parts books. They show you every little nut, bolt, washer, spring, clip, and whatever else you don't have that you need. Then they give you part numbers over with a crappy description. So you can go looking for the parts when you're missing something. Google part numbers, you can find all kinds of crap. And this will tell you what years they did different things. Because they do make changes. They don't always show a picture of everything, but they do have part numbers. So this is an earlier bike. That's what it looked like back in the day. We used to scrap these things all the time. They're garbage. Couldn't give away these FLTs back in the day. Nobody wanted them. Including the people that bought them. There's a few that liked them, but not many. So anyway, these are, I like having nice, good parts books. Especially when I'm buying a bunch of crap on eBay, I don't know what it is. Now this one here, I don't know what this is. So here's the oil system. There's what the bike looked like. In case you don't know what these are, this is the motorcycle that saved Harley Davidson. It's called a Sportster. 883. $29.99. $29.95. $2,995. They sold every damn one they could make. Got everybody in there buying Sportsters. Then they could trade it in for full value on a big bike within a year or 2 years. Within a year for sure. Get a 100% rebate on a new bike. That's how they suckered you into buying an Evo bike. So anyway, this tells you how the oil system works. Just some more pictures of it. I don't use service books for a lot. I pretty much only use them for fluid levels, sometimes torque specs. They'll have gear diameters and stuff like that, pitch diameters you'll need. That's in the parts book, sometimes in the service books too. How to run the oil lines, what I don't remember, helps if they give you pictures. Other than that, I don't really use them for anything. It's pretty much all of this picture is already in the parts book, which show you completely how to put stuff together. So you don't need a service book for that. They pretty much just tell you to put it back together as you took it apart. So that didn't really help you much anyway. There's some torque specs in there and junk like that, but other than that, not a lot. And they got some special tools I just saw blowing through. Yeah, where were they? Ooh, look at all that. Metric conversion table. Yeah, like I need that. There you go. Here's some tools. I've got something looks like that. I don't have that. Oh, that's a gauge. I got a different style. I don't have that kind of a compressor. Got those. Don't have that. Don't know what all that crap is there. Pretty sure I don't need it. I don't like those too much. And I don't know what that is. Yeah. Oh, that's a tire spreader. Ooh. I don't know what the hell that is. Spread your tire out. Yeah, there's some more tools. So, anyway, there you go. Good Harley manuals. I like them.